Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing laces and knocking out grit. This prevents mud from spreading. Once done, take the suede brush and angle it roughly 30 degrees, brushing gently across the nap to lift dust. This preserves texture and avoids flattening. Next, target small marks with the suede eraser, rubbing with controlled pressure until the spot lightens. Make sure to work slowly. Aggressive scrubbing damages fibers. If dust resettles, brush again in the nap direction to restore the suede's natural look. You prepare a mild solution, 1 part cleaner to 3 parts water, and always test it on a hidden area first so you know how the suede will react. Then, dampen the kit sponge lightly and work in small circular motions. This loosens embedded dirt without saturating the suede, which can stiffen when wet. Once clean, blot away surface moisture with a dry cloth and let the shoes air dry for 12 to 24 hours, away from direct heat, to prevent shrinking or discoloration. You finish by restoring the nap. Brush gently, then use the brass side only on stubborn flattened areas to coax fibers upright. After the suede looks uniform, protect it. Spray 2 light, even coats from about 6 to 8 inches away, allowing each coat to dry fully. This repels water and stains. If you see water rings, redampen the entire panel lightly and dry evenly to blend the mark. This equalizes drying and prevents hard lines. Make sure sprays are compatible with suede to avoid darkening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.